Hi, welcome back everyone. Welcome back to the channel. I'm your host Dr. Seema Jain, and on a weekend I'm making this video for you. And this video I'm going to be talking about which sectors are looking good and the stocks which are on my radar for a breakout. इस वीडियो में हम बात करेंगे किस किस स्टॉक में ब्रेकआउट आने वाला है आने वाले वीक में और क्या स्टांस रहेगा मार्केट का इन ऑल एंड कौन सा सेक्टर परफॉर्म बढ़िया कर सकता है. In सबसे पहले, I would like to talk about that the 3-4 days are going to be pretty much volatile. One is that the Gujarat elections will be conducted and the pre-poll and then the results and everything is going to be there and the market could be turbulent depending upon how the results will come. Then we have monetary policy. Then, like first week is going to be like starting from 5th of December to 9th of December, the 5 days are going to be quite action packed. So you got to be careful. Okay. Before I go on anywhere, I would like you to come to this video, like sector analysis, which sector looks powerful. You just have a look at this particular video I have made for you and have discussed each and every sector with you, like Nifty Private Bank. Then I've talked about Nifty service sector. Then I've talked about Nifty FMCG sector. Then I have talked about Nifty 50 index. Then I have talked about Nifty Bank, right? And all of them, I'm just going to show you one by one. The drawings are the ones which I've made earlier. Even though in the same video, you will be able to see I'm talking about the Nifty Media. I'm talking about Nifty Media as well. This is Nifty Service. This is Nifty Auto, right? Have a look at Nifty Auto. Then have a look at this is Scots and all those two stocks that I discussed at that time. I'm going to show you the sector, like I did talk about the sector, which was this is Eicher Motors. No, I did talk about in this video itself, I did talk about media, right? Nifty Media also. If you just hear this, go back and hear it. You will be able to find all of each and every sector that I did talk about. Nifty 200, right? Then I did talk about Nifty 200. Then I talked about Nifty 500. Then I talked about Nifty service sector. Then I talked about Nifty FMCG. Then each and every sector I said support and resistance I discussed. And this is FMCG. Then this is again FMCG I'm talking about. This is Nifty 50 index. And similarly, I want to just review the entire sectors that I did talk about it. So this is the media that I discussed on that particular day here, like at this particular point. So media I discussed at the point of 2000 and currently it's at 2200 media sector. Have a look at the reality. It's in the channel. Okay, mid cap. This is what we discussed on the same day that I'm showing you. And I said that if this high is broken, it will go up. So it did go up. It gave you good movement up in the upper direction, almost like 1000 points. Then mid cap, right? Mid cap also I'm talking about, and mid cap has also given a good move up. Then I'll show you FMCG, because FMCG you could see this is Nifty and CNX 500. We were on this particular day around 28th of October, and look at the move that it has given. Almost like 600 points move has come into it. Then this is CNX 200, right? This is the diagram of CNX 200. Then I want to show you FMCG. So this is how FMCG was. At the same point, it went up, came down, took the support at the same point, and then went up again. So all the market, you can go back and check what did we predict. Now on today, when I'm making this video, I have 3 sectors on my radar. The first sector that I have on my radar is IT sector, Nifty IT, right? So Nifty IT, if you have a look, it looks very, very promising at this point of time here. The way it actually gapped down and then price rejection. So what is important now? How are we going to trade into it? In case this CNX Nifty IT goes above 16,050, then we have a surety that Nifty IT will further start moving up. I hope you understand. This open equal to high candle has to be taken out. If this candle is taken out, then only we will have a certain surety that Nifty IT will, oh, this is Nifty CNX 500. This is Nifty IT. This is how Nifty IT looks like, right? In Nifty IT, what I can see here, I'm going to extend it and see the channel is being maintained. I'm going to just extrapolate the channel and have a look at the channel. It's been in a very strong uptrend. Okay, now there is a possibility that Nifty IT may break the channel, or if not, then a slight upshift may continue happening in the channel in this particular. So for the upcoming week, I'm expecting it to go till about 31,500. Right now it's about 31,000. 31,500 is what I'm expecting for Nifty IT. Another sector that's looking very promising to me at this point of time is Nifty Pharma. Nifty Pharma. Nifty Pharma is beautifully maintaining the trend line, right? This trend line, if you notice, this is a trend line which Nifty Pharma has created, and closing yesterday, like Friday's closing, was price rejection and it closed above. Now, as I'm talking to you, I will also discuss the stocks. मैं वो stocks भी आप लोगों के साथ discuss करूंगी जो कि अच्छे लग रहे हैं और ऊपर चढ़ने के लिए तैयार है. तो जहां तक बात है निफ्टी फार्मा में, मुझे सबसे पहला स्टॉक जो अच्छा लग रहा है वो है औरो फार्मा. औरो फार्मा इज लुकिंग वेरी स्ट्रॉन्ग बिकॉज काफी दिनों से ये स्टॉक डेवलप हो रहा है. तो 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 दिन इसने टाइनी कैंडल्स लगाई है. और ये जो आप कैंडल देख रहे हैं ना, ये कैंडल जो ग्रीन कैंडल है, इसका लो जो है ये एक बहुत स्ट्रॉन्ग सपोर्ट जोन है. यहाँ पे एक कोई ना कोई इंस्टीट्यूशनल इन्वेस्टर डेफिनेटली एक्टिव है, तभी ऊपर जाके जब गिरा स्टॉक तो इसी जगह से स्टॉक ने बाउंस किया. व्हाट आई एम एक्सपेक्टिंग 475 के ऊपर ये स्टॉक एक ऊपर की तरफ चलने की तैयारी में हो जाएगा. वहां से हमको 480 490 500 तक के टारगेट्स इसमें देखने को मिल सकते हैं. तो औरो फार्मा इज लुकिंग गुड. And another IT stock that looks good to me is Dr. Lal Path. Lal Path pe I have already made a video, but again, Lal Path Laboratories is beautifully building up, right? Something you can all notice clearly. One is that in daily time frame, RSI is heading above 90, above 50, and something more you can notice that the price has been shifting in the upper direction. Right, price has been shifting in the upper direction. Our good entry is going to come above 2510. So wait for tomorrow. I'm sure a good movement should come in Lal Path Lab. So that's the second stock I have from the same sector. Then I have Dr. Reddy's. Right, Dr. Reddy's laboratory is also looking very promising. See the build up in the stock. Right, it went up fine, then came down, then went up, then came down, and then it's like a skewed double bottom. Above this place jahan se isko resistance laga tha 4555, I will expect a move of about 70-75 points, and after that a move of about 150, like 100 more points can be easily seen. This is Dr. Reddy's. So 3 स्टॉक हो गए इस सेक्टर से. पहला स्टॉक है मेरे रडार पे औरो फार्मा, दूसरा स्टॉक है मेरे रडार पे लाल पैथ लैब, और तीसरा स्टॉक है डॉक्टर रेड्डीज. उसके बाद मुझे एफएमसीजी सेक्टर भी बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है. एफएमसीजी सेक्टर में अगर हम बात करें तो मारिको में एक बहुत जबरदस्त लोअर लेवल से बाइंग आई है on Friday. This is Marico. I hope it was Marico. Yeah, so Marico में अगर हमको एंट्री लेनी है, our entry is going to come above today's high, like previous candles high. Like this is the place where I can expect a good movement in Marico. Above 510, we can expect a good move up. Okay, and first target that we can expect is 520, 525, and stop loss हमारा कुछ रहेगा 10 points का, 500 का हमारा stop loss रहेगा. So Marico also looks good. And then some more stocks that are on my radar are BPCL. BPCL I have already given it once, and I have told you कि इसमें 330 340 के targets आराम से मिलेंगे. Now इसको 345.5 का एक स्ट्रॉन्ग बैरियर है। अगर वो बैरियर क्रॉस होता है 346 का, तो 355 का टारगेट जरूर देखने को मिलेगा, और अगर 355 क्रॉस हो जाता है तो 360, 365, 370 के टारगेट्स भी देखने को मिल सकते हैं। तो ये बीपीसीएल हो गया, और एक और स्टॉक जो मेरे रडार पे है वो है दीपक नाइट्राइट। दीपक नाइट्राइट ने एक जबरदस्त ब्रेकआउट दिया है। आप देख सकते हैं कि इस स्टॉक में गैप डाउन हुई, एक दिन गैप डाउन ओपनिंग हुई बिकॉज ऑफ अर्निंग्स। उसके बाद स्टॉक थोड़ा ऊपर गया, फिर नीचे आया, फिर थोड़ा सा एक मेंटेन कर रहा है, अपने ट्रेंड लाइन को मेंटेन कर रहा है। अगर हम यहाँ से एक ट्रेंड लाइन देखते हैं तो उसको मेंटेन कर रहा है ये स्टॉक। और अभी क्या लगता है स्टॉक को देख के कि देयर इज अ गुड पॉसिबिलिटी फॉर द स्टॉक में गिव अ ब्रेकआउट इन कमिंग डेज। तो यहाँ पे अगर आप नोटिस करते हैं तो ये, और मैं एक लाइन और मार्क करूंगी करीब 2214 पे, इस जगह के ऊपर हमको ये गैप फिल होता हुआ दिखाई देगा। तो अगर ये 2220 के ऊपर जाता है तो एक टारगेट 2300 का हमको इसमें देखने को मिल सकता है। तो अगेन मेरे सेक्टर पे, मेरे रडार पे कौन कौन से सेक्टर्स हैं? आईटी सेक्टर है, फार्मा सेक्टर है, एफएमसीजी सेक्टर है, और एक सेक्टर की मैंने बात नहीं की क्योंकि मेरे पास इंडेक्स नहीं बना हुआ है। द सेक्टर इज टायर सेक्टर। क्योंकि टायर सेक्टर में अगर आप देखेंगे तो अपोलो टायर्स को देखिए, अपोलो टायर्स ready for a breakout right above this place, it will give a good breakout. Then Balkrishna Industries, this also is developing above this high, above 2082. We can expect a good move up in Balakrishna Industries. CEAT has already taken a good flight up. CEAT has already been flying up. We have Apollo Tires, we have Balakrishna Industries, we have CEAT Tires, JK Tires. JK Tires also, let's have a look, which has also broken this consolidation and gave a good breakout, right? I have made a video on JK Tires. I've told that these are the stocks ready for a good breakout. So this has also made a high of 207. So tire industry, I feel, is again an industry which looks heading up. So I think this is what my analysis is, what I'm understanding by looking at the market. Pharma sector may give a good move up, and IT may give good move up, FMCG and tire industries. These are the four sectors on my radar. And stocks मैंने आपके साथ already discuss कर लिए हैं. BPCL है, दीपक नाइट्राइट है, मारिको है, then we talked about Oro Pharma, we talked about Lal Pathlab, we talked about Dr. Reddy, and एक और स्टॉक मिस हो गया है फार्मा सेक्टर का, वो है Divis Laboratory. Divis is also looking very, very good at this point of time. Divis Laboratory is also looking good because it has been building up for a long period of time. It has given a good breakdown in the downward direction. उसके बाद ये स्टॉक अपने आप को कंसोलिडेट कर रहा है, बिल्डअप कर रहा है above this place, which is 3530. We can expect a movement in Divis Laboratory as well. So with this, I'll be signing off. This was our weekend dose so that you can be prepared for tomorrow's trading. And if you like our work, please give a thumbs up and share my video, and share, like, and subscribe. All the best, and see you in the live trading tomorrow morning from 10 to 11, when me and my team come over and we do the live trading and we ensure that you make good profit. So with this, I'll be signing off. Take care. Bye bye. See you tomorrow.